Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make glitch text in Alight Motion. First we open a new project and add text. Go through here. And then we select text transform from the effects section and add it to our clip. And then do the stretch effect like I did. And text layer cut. Then we select here and increase the scale. And then we open shape layer and make it according to your text. You already know what you're going to do, so I won't talk about it. Just watch. Then open Node Video in new project. And upload your video. Then throw the glow effect and open the Open Mask Editor and do it according to your text. The video was up to here. I ask you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to come to my Discord server from the bio. There's everything about editing there.